I guess another car from Abiloader. It's a brand new Holden Insignia. It's 2020 model. The boot of this car is slightly smaller than the previous generation, but we still managed to install the Abiloader, and the wheelchair delivery position is reasonably nice. So it brings it roughly 20 centimeters from the edge, so I can easily point out with my hand. And when it's removed, just straight on the edge of the front door. And just the hand control while I spin on this car, and I'll fire it up. Sorry, wrong direction. So in this car we had to use the white keys in order to bring the wheelchair a little bit closer to the driver. And obviously we had to modify the leg rest because otherwise it will be too far from the driver. That's very easy to do. We're just gonna flip up leg rest, and now we can shut the boot. So that's how it looks inside. And once again I'll fire up the unit in the opposite direction. So the control of the rear door is from this button on the driver's door. So as soon as the door is open, the Abiloader automatically starts deploying. And on most of the cars that now have the original hatch opener from the factory with the similar struts, we just install the hatch interlock system. We just install on the hatch itself just a tiny mercury switch, and what it does, it just actually stops the Abiloader from coming out until you open the hatch. And on the way back, we have a little LED light. I'll show you from inside. When the Abiloader gets all the way in, we'll just send it back into the boot. So here it comes. So when the Abiloader gets all the way into the boot, we'll see this LED will show us his red light. Here we are. So that means that the Abiloader is full inside, and now we can shut the hatch. Thank you for watching.